Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the smartest in-car systems in the automotive world. The Mercedes-Benz User Experience, better known as MBUX. From AI-powered voice control to augmented reality navigation, this isn't just an infotainment system, it's your digital co-pilot. MBUX features one of the most advanced voice assistants on the market. Just say, "Hey Mercedes," and it listens. Whether you want to change the temperature, find the nearest coffee shop, or switch the ambient lighting to your favorite color, just speak naturally. And MBUX takes care of it. Control is in your hands, literally. MBUX can be operated using the high-res touchscreen, a sleek touchpad on the center console, or touch-sensitive buttons on the steering wheel. It's all about choice and comfort. Getting lost is a thing of the past. MBUX uses augmented reality navigation, overlaying arrows and street names directly onto a live camera feed of the road ahead. You see exactly where to turn, crystal clear and stress-free. MBUX gets to know you. It learns your preferences over time, like who you call most, your favorite radio stations, and even when you like your seat heated. With multiple user profiles, every driver gets a personal experience. And if you're behind the wheel of the EQS or other top-tier models, you get the jaw-dropping MBUX Hyperscreen, a 56-inch curved glass panel housing 3 displays. It's futuristic, fast, and feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Whether you're navigating downtown or setting the mood with ambient lighting, MBUX transforms the way you interact with your car. It's smart, sleek, and seriously next level. We are witnessing the birth of a new kind of intelligence. One that doesn't live in a lab, but on the streets, quietly steering us into the future. Before we wrap up, a huge thank you to all our amazing subscribers. Your support means the world to us and keeps us motivated to bring you more exciting content. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech-driven car content. And let us know in the comments what's your favorite MBUX feature. See you in the next video.